Fish on? Ooh, all right. Oh no! Can I save it? Can I save it? Oh, look at that! Look at that! No way! No way! That's a way to start off a video. Paul catches them all, baby. Oh, good morning. Well, it is freezing temperatures and supposed to rain. That is not going to stop us from fishing today. So today we're going to be out targeting crappie. I'm going to be shooting docks, vertical jigging, doing whatever I got to do just to get into those little guys. So, all right, come with me. Let's get this done. Oh yeah, it's got a good school of crappie on it. Let's go ahead and fish this. "26 feet of water, 15 feet down." Let's use the pink and chartreuse. See if it works. Come on, crappie. I just want to feel that thump. There we go. Fish on. Oh yeah. Right near the end. Pink and chartreuse. First cast. Nice. All right. Let's start trying to load the boat. Let's do what we do. Paul catches them all, baby. Let's see, is the pink the magic color? There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Two casts in a row. Just reeling in real slow. Oh, I missed it. And these guys are hitting so soft. So the 15 is a safe spot. Here we go, fish on. Oh, nice size crappie here. Oh, that's bloody made it easy. Oh yeah, good size crappie. Right there, buddy. That's why you gotta inspect every side. Since there's a bow on my line. I'm just watching the line to see if it'll pop. You see that pop? It means that crappie bit it. Now, a couple things I've learned is here. So we found an active pile. Here we go. I was about to say, if the bite slows down, we're gonna swap colored jigs, because we found some active crappie here. So we were able to get into a few good crappie here, but I think it's time to move to a different spot. Let's get it. Here that's holding some pretty good crappie on it. Man, they are stacked. Okay, let's see if the pink will work here. Ooh, fish on. Wow, he thumped the heck out of that one. That is a big old bluegill. My goodness, this thing is big. That's what she said. Here we go. Fish on. There we go. Well, these guys are making it easy for me. So I did have to switch up the jig color a bit, but I don't care what color it is, just as long as they're biting. Fish on. Oh, this is a good one. There we go. Man. Oh, these guys are making it super simple. Okay. We're loading them up. Sorry, it's raining, guys. Trying to keep that lens clear. So I just let this drop. It's just about, should be about 30 feet. I'm just reeling in real slow. Oh, here we go. Fish on. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, baby. Oh yeah, here's Slab Daddy. Right here, baby, Slab Daddy. Guys, use those crappie settings. Use those crappie settings I just showed you, and it'll put you on crappie. You can start loading the boat up, all right? We've been out here for about 45 minutes. Paul catches them all, baby. Oh, fish on. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this slab. Oh wow. Look at this slab. Guys, I'm gonna tell you again. Use my crappie settings. Use those settings. I'm giving you the settings. It's free. You use those settings, you will load the boat up with crappie. Let's go, man. I'm just reeling in real slow. Next time I cast and don't catch a fish, I'm gonna try to get the settings set up. Fish on? Oh yeah. Now this guy is a little guy. You're not gonna keep him. Well, you know what? I forgot who it was, but he told me don't throw the crappie back to the end of the day. You can mess up the pile. No, I've never done that. But I'm gonna take his word for it. I'll highlight that comment and show you. So let you guys know, I read all your guys' comments, man. Okay, I keep saying last cast, and this just keeps going. Ooh, fish on? Ooh, all right. Oh no! Can I save it? Can I save it? Oh, look at that! Look at that! No way! No way! Hey, if you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you guys. I personally want to thank each and every one of you for watching my entire video, sticking it out to the end. So today was a great day. Anytime you can get on 10 crappies, bring them home, fry them up, man, you're doing just fine. It was rainy and it was cold today, but that didn't stop the crappie. I seem to do really well once it gets cold out, and they really hold tight to those docks. They were pretty deep too. I was catching them between 25 and 30 feet deep, but I love that. I love that challenge. I love finding the depth they're at. So I don't know if any of you guys noticed, but I changed up the video settings on my GoPro. This was just a regular wide. It wasn't super wide. I always usually record in super wide. I like when you guys could see everything. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this video style better, or if you like the previous ones. If you have to, go back, watch a video really quick, and let me know what you think of those video settings. Please let me know. I really want to know that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel a lot. And if you guys would like to see more crappie videos like this, hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, we'll catch you guys later.
Bye. Have a great time.